So ufuna ukwazi ukuthi isoul code inganceda kuphi futhi? Inganceda kuphi futhi isoul code? Okay. So masibheka indlela ezabantu abakudala masilandela history from the Book of Dead, the Book of Enoch, the Quran 1, Quran 2, Quran 3, Bible, and then we go through the history of African books. And then we go to the science of voodoo. And then we go to astrology. And then we go to philosophy. And then we go from the nature of science. Those books, when you read about them, you will see there was no such thing as iganga or izinto zeganga zingakwazi ukuthi zincede emoyeni, but lezo zinto zakwazi ukuthi ziclean from egazini, right? But izinto zomoya azikwazi ukufikela kuzo. So masokhuluma ngalokho sokhuluma ngokuthi sobeka iBhayibheli, which is a book of the bull. Understand? Because a bull is stand for a Taurus field, ne? So i-code soul, it is making sure ukuthi wena musuhamba endleleni zakho ezokukhanya, you're no longer fighting with the demons, or you're no longer after the fight. Understand? You are like in peace most of the time. But what I have realized about this, you need to have somebody next to you who will guide you, because there's a lot of things ozozibona zenzeke empilweni yakho. Abathakathi bazoqala beze phambi kwakho bazoxolisa baguqe or bafike bakuthuke or bafike bakutshela ukuthi lento oyenzayo i-wrong awuyeke. Dala ngithola namama unknown call bangitshela labantu dala abantu beza kimi bazongitshela ukuthi wena sikeza sona, so asikufuni izinto enjalo. Understand? Ngize ngagcina ngayibhala kuphi ku Facebook, but ngidelethile lento le. Understand? Ngize ngafaka nesithombe ngayidelete lento le because it was hurting me, traumatizing ngaphakathi ukuthi how come umuntu azama ukusisiza ngindaba zakhe zomoya, then bese kuchamuka abantu abangaka abayibadla. Uzobona ngize ngatsheka nala esayidini uma unenkinga la utshekile, so nasi isithombe sami la usuke ushawa i-trauma. That means umsipha wakho asakwazi ukusondela kuphi engqondweni, uzohlezi ucabanga ngaso isikhathi antini uzochifte, so kuyomele ufake izandla uzidlule. Understand? Khona umsipha wakho uzokwazi ukubuyela lapho. So lento le i-soul code is not about ama-business nayilento le. Yabona abantu bayeza ku WhatsApp, abanye baze baletha nomndeni wabo because baba ukuthi bengakwazi ukuphupha, bengiphupha bengikhohlwa. Understand? Bengawavula kanjani amaphupho wami? Benginaye understanding ulwa nesitha esi1 ngasonke isikhathi awusinqobe kanjani. Understand? So yonke lento le abantu egcineni bona bagcina baziveza bakhuluma. Understand? But for you, sithi manje sengikuhlanganisile nale soul code le. Understand? I want you to stick on it because it will open a lot of izokuvulela izinto. This one ngitshela ukuthi sometimes abanye abantu nabo babuya bathi sengimanage ukuvula ama business. Abanye abantu babuya bathi sengiyakwazi ukuphila, ngiyakwazi ukuphakama ebhedini. Understand? Abanye abantu babuya bathi sengiyakwazi ukuconnecta nomuntu wami for a relationship. Abanye abantu ayifuna amazwi. Ukhumbula ukuthi asingene la uqala la. Ukhumbula ukuthi umuntu ngokwakhe yena umhlaba uphelele. So ihlahla ukuze sikwazi ukukhula sidinga ini? Inhlabathi ngithi. Bese sidinga ini? Sidinga umoya, right? Bese sidinga into le imvula. So yonke lento le is going to create again the DNA of Christ. Remember ukuthi even in the Bible Dese uNkulunkulu waqala umuntu ngedust. That means idust kuyini? Kuyinhlabathi, ilento le imbathile eyisikhumba, understand, sabokhokho bakho. And then ngaphakathi une DNA which is cross njengo Jesus Christ. And then bese uba namanzi owemvula ngaphakathi wena umuntu, bese uba nomthambo nomsipha owumhlaba, understand. So wena ukuze ngikwazi ukuconnectiza nalento yakho le owafika nayo emhlabeni, I need to give you even your time. Ngibeke izinkanyezi zakho ngaphambi kwami, unginikeze isikhathi sakho so ukuthi uthandaze ngalento so usebenzisane wena uma uzothandaza izinto enjani. Ayifuni ukuthi uyenze izinto ezabanye abantu. That's why mangifika la ku TikTok nje ngibele ngikhuluma ukuthi abantu abafuna ibusiness abayenze sona so but kunezinto ongazivula nge-soul code, you understand. That's why if uyangifuna ama-number wami alapha kubhayo lapha, uyangWhatsAppa, i-price yakhona i-100 understand. Ngiyahamba ngiyoyikhipha, ngiyakubonisa ukuthi mfethu ngikhiphile ifoni into yakho, understand. Ikwazi ukusiza abantwana, ikwazi ukusiza abantu abadala. Ukhumbule ukuthi nabomkhulu Jesus Christ bona labo bebengasebenzisi izinto eziningi emhlabeni, bebasebenzisa umoya, which umoya uNkulunkulu is what we call Yahweh, understand. So ungafunda zonke lezo incwadi uzobona, understand, uzobona. So lento kimi yafika yaba yisipho ebantwini, kimi yafika yaqala yaba yisipho, understand. Yangitraumatize yona kakhulu, yangitraumatize, kodwa ngikwazile ukuthi sometimes mangibona kuyenzeka izinto ngiyakwazi ukubuyela kimi, ngiyohlala futhi kimi ngithi sekuvelile uNkulunkulu. Ngiyabonga ngalokho, understand. So you can learn a lot from that and pay reflection to the connect.